Life update, everybody. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know how this vlog is going to end up being. It's probably going to be like a compilation of a couple of days because there isn't like too much going on right now until tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be pretty fun. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick life update to start this vlog off because I got a new job. I am no longer working in sports, which I will probably do another video about sports, but a more like real, like insider thing and more like specific and personal about my last sports job. But yeah, I got a new job. So I was actually unemployed for a couple of months. I kind of mentioned it like offhandedly in a few videos. So yeah, that was a stressful time, but I got a new job and I started this week. I only worked like a couple of days, but yeah, it's been good so far. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Okay guys, so we are here at our new house. We just did our inspection. We had a private inspection, so that is one thing you want to do. So when you're buying a new build, your builder is always going to do an inspection, but you want to do your own inspection to make sure that you've got somebody who's really looking out for you. So that's what we just did, and now I'm going to show you around the house.
Walk through. He's going to go over everything, like how to turn off the water, the stick, but in more detail, so you know how to do everything. He's going to explain everything. You're going to get like 8 feet on 3 just so you guys know. I may have to leave, so I'll come and get you guys go on the thing. But just make sure you have your paperwork.
These floors are stained.
The one that's showing what
Our pantry.
so you can kind of,
So what?
with this, what you guys do here, the output, to make sure that that's the one that's added. So when I talked to the lender, he told me that they got Tia's offer letter and they were going to wait for a paycheck. Okay, so, once we have that, he's like, it shouldn't be an issue, but they're going to have to delay it until we get that paycheck. So we're supposed to close probably around that time, the 24th, maybe.
Very large backyard.
But now it's going to be after she gets that.
So she's but it's not, I mean, it's gonna be for all the days she worked, but it won't be full.
But, right, and they'll just figure it out.
That leads to the garage. Here's just a little closet. This is the den downstairs with the double doors. And the closet. There should be like a little closet. This will be where the cats will sleep. Smart thermostat. Upstairs. Right. Loft. Laundry room. Just like going through and testing out some of these lights and everything, making sure they work. This is the master bath, or sorry, the master bedroom. Master closet. Which is very nice. Good size. And our master bathroom. Another light switches are. Okay. Good. The floors looking out so pretty. So much prettier than I thought it was gonna be. Big shower. Rain glass. Pretty nice. There's still some things that need to be done, obviously, because it's not closing yet. But for the most part, things look good. Check out the other bedrooms. This bedroom, or bedroom 1, which will probably be a nursery room in the future. Bedroom 2. Here is the other bathroom. Good. Again, check out the floors, they're so pretty. Gotta say, we've got really good taste. And then here's the big room, which will be a guest room, at least at first. We've got great views out the windows. Like, I don't want to show it for privacy reasons, but we're just surrounded by mountains and it's so pretty. Okay, so that was the entire house. Again, we are a few days away from our final walkthrough. That's on Tuesday, and that's where everything is supposed to be like pretty much like completely done. So yeah, they still have a few finishing touches, but it looks really pretty, even prettier than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm really excited about it. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to receive notifications for when I post an update, don't forget to hit that bell icon.